Hello Automation Anywhere enthusiasts. Welcome back to KT Sessions. I'm Bharat Juneja and today we are delving into an exciting topic, reading PDF files in Automation Anywhere A360. In our previous session, we explored the error handler package. Today, we'll uncover the process of reading PDF files. Let's dive in. Imagine having a bank statement in a PDF file. We aim to extract specific details from it. Let's open a taskbot. In Automation Anywhere, using the Extract Text action from PDF, we can effortlessly extract text from a PDF file and save it as a text file. To extract text from a PDF file, 1. In the Actions palette, double-click or drag the Extract Text action from the PDF package. 2. In the PDF path, choose one of the following options to specify the PDF's location. Control Room File, select a PDF file available in a folder in the control room. Desktop Profile, choose a PDF file available on your device. Variable, specify the file variable containing the PDF file location. 3. Optionally, in the user password or owner password field, enter a password to restrict access to the encrypted PDF file. User password allows users to perform specific operations on the encrypted PDF file. Owner password allows users to use a password to open the file. 4. In the text type field, choose one of the following options. Plain text, extract the text and copy it to a text file, similar to copying and pasting from a PDF to a text file. Structured text, preserve the original formatting of the text extracted from the PDF file. You can select the Reduce Data Loss option to ensure complete text extraction with minimal character overlap, reducing the number of overlapped characters. Note, selecting this option may result in extra space characters in the extracted text. 5. In the Page Range field, choose one of the following options. All pages, save all pages in the PDF file as an image. Pages, enter the page numbers you want to save as an image. 6. In the Export Data to Text file field, specify a name and location for the text file. Remember to include the .txt extension in the file name. Note, check the Overwrite Files with the same name box to overwrite existing files with the same name. 7. Optionally, from the Assign PDF Properties to a Dictionary Variable list, select a dictionary variable to hold the file properties. 8. Click Save. Important points to consider. If the correct fonts are not embedded in the PDF file, the Extract Text action may not extract the text accurately. When extracting text from a PDF file, especially if the text is a single-line data but the PDF file has the same data into lines, the extracted data might appear into lines. Extracting fields from a PDF with 20 form fields may take 30 to 40% longer processing time than PDFs without form field. First, I'm extracting plain text. Let's run the bot. Now, let me open the output file. As you can see, we obtained this txt file, and we can compare it with the PDF file. Now, let me extract structured text. Let's run the bot again. Now, let me open the output file. We can observe that the data is in the same structure as the PDF file, including blank spaces and all. Let's highlight the difference between plain text and structured text. Suppose I want to extract the beginning balance from it. Let's extract text from this bank statement. In the plain text file, we can see the beginning balance is in one line. Let me show you the code. We will open the notepad file, read it line by line using a loop. If the line contains the beginning balance, we can extract the amount from it. Let me run the bot and here we go. $11,500.49. Similarly, we can get amount of ending balance. $17,501.13. This is how we can effortlessly extract the required text from a PDF file. Thank you for joining us on this reading PDF files journey in Automation Anywhere A360. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Expect more tutorials, tips, and tricks on Automation Anywhere and other cutting-edge technologies. We value your insights, questions, and experiences. Feel free to share them in the comments below. Your feedback fuels our commitment to creating quality content. Stay connected with us on social media for updates, behind-the-scenes content, and exclusives. Your support is invaluable, and together, let's elevate our automation skills to new heights. Thank you for being part of our learning journey. Until next time, happy automating.